Hello guys, today's session we will going to be learn about comment tag. So let's get started. First we have to take a new file. I'm starting with new file first, then after that I'm going to save that file comment. After saving that file I'm going to write my code. This is my file open or pop up. Now I'm giving the just a title like comment says, right? Just saving that, and I'm taking a one paragraph, so it's easy to be understand that. This is paragraph. Okay, I'm going to save it and just testing my web page how it's going to be done. This is my file. I'm going to be just double click on it, and so it's working properly as you see. Now I'm going to be change something. I'm going to use comment tag. So here is I'm using a one tag h1 header hello and closing it. Okay, now again I'm going to be refresh this page, so it's showing hello world. Okay, so this is a tag. Okay, I'm copy that again. I'm putting this and this is a header 1, header 2, same as right here 1, this is a 3, 2, this is a 4, right? Let's again check about that. As you see, this is the header 1, 2, 3 and 4. I'm using that and it's showing here. Okay, now I just want to user to show only this header h1 and h2, h3 and h4. I want to does not display to the end user. So what I am going to do that, I am going to be making this one opening tag, then I'm using exclamation, then putting this. Okay, and I'm after that, and I'm going to be refresh again this page. It's not going to be show the front user, but it's going to be happening stay in backend page. So this is a extra header I use it, and I just don't want to user see this header, so I comment out it. Okay, now again I'm taking another paragraph like this. Okay, and I'm putting some information right here, like I'm just putting this okay. I'm just going to be close, and it's going to be show down, it's going to be showing. So this is paragraph and showing that, but this paragraph is not relevant to my website, and I want to that user doesn't see that this paragraph. Okay, so this is the extra information that I put on my web page. So I'm just going to remove that paragraph, not by reviewing all the time, because it might be future if I'm going to be use again my web page, or maybe I'm going to be some changes on my web page. I needed to some direction what I did it, so for on that spot I needed some information, and that information helped to improve my web page, right? So in future I needed this paragraph. Okay, So right now I don't need it, but in future might be I needed this paragraph. So I'm going to be just comment out this paragraph, so it doesn't show right now, but it might be future. If I needed, I get that information and use it in my web page. So like if I'm going to be comment out this and save again, and I'm going to be refresh it. As you see, it's not going to be show in fronted user side. Okay, it's only going to be show the coder who is developing that website, or this is writing their comment section that this is my first web page, this is project very important to me. Like this is the extra information that I put on my web page, but I don't want to show that information to the user, though, which is the end user, but I want to show myself or any other developer who comes to my web page, who going to be develop or improve my web page in future. He can or she can see that comment, but not going to be shown to the end user. That's why we use comment tag in our HTML web page. So I hope you understand that importance of comment tag. That's all for today. Have a good day.